Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Are your pushcut triggers not working? Let's fix it step by step. Pushcut supports various triggers like time-based, location-based, or webhooks. So make sure the trigger type you've set matches your automation goal. For example, make sure that you enabled it, right? And select the type of notifications, okay, and everything. So you can see that if the automation matches the your automation goal, right? Next, what you're gonna do, confirm the active automation. As we said before, go to the pushcut and then select your triggers from here. Click the local trigger and see right here the enabled button. Make sure that you color this one green. Sometimes they shut it down automatically, so just make sure that you enable it if you haven't, right? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna review the notification permissions. Go back to your screen. And pushcut triggers rely on timely notifications. So go to the settings. Now we go back to the main settings. Scroll a little bit down to the notifications. And then just a little bit down till you find the pushcut. Go ahead and click on it and ensure notifications are enabled. Okay, next, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and update your pushcut and reboot. An outdated app or system glitch could cause this issue. Update the pushcut app and restart your device to refresh all services. All right, so lastly, which is optional, if nothing works, just delete and recreate the trigger from scratch. Let me go ahead to the pushcut. I'm gonna hold right here to this trigger, right? Now I can hold it, but I can switch to the right instead and hit delete and basically recreate the trigger from scratch. All right, and this often resolves hidden configuration issues. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.